Got another stash update. Now this is several stops, several trips over the last week, and not all of my fireworks combined with a friend right now here. We've got some TNT hotshot Roman candles, or crackling candles. We've got Girl Power, Fool's Gold, a small Sapphire by Cutting Edge, Star Bright by TNT, Bone Breaker, Snaps, a spinner called Dancing Devil, and some fun stuff booby traps. Now that's all kind of one trip there, and then this side's another one. Great place, Stoltz Fireworks. We've got some Frog Prince and Princess fountains there, some mini monsters, assorted fountains. We've got another Girl Power, Bolt of Blue, Paparazzi. We've got Jumping Jelly Beans there, Folds of Honor, Pink Diamonds, Laser. This was a freebie, Death Ray. Picked up a bunch of single shots and Punks Delight them. We've got Sky Bombs by Shogun, Dominator single shots. We've got Red Star, White Strobe, and let's see here, Brocade Crown, White Strobe. Picked up some platinum pink Roman candles. Did find the last box of Happy Face artillery shells, so I grabbed those. Maddox Thrasher and Bad Reputation. That's probably it for this year.